Honestly, installing VLC Media Player should be super simple. But so many people accidentally click on fake download buttons and end up with junk software on their computer. I will show you exactly where to go and how to do it safely in under 60 seconds. Go ahead and hit subscribe and let me walk you through it. First, just open your web browser. Chrome, Edge, whatever you usually use. Then search for VLC Media Player. Now here is the important part. You want to look for the official website, which is videoland.org. Do not click on those sponsored ads or fake download buttons. I have made that mistake before, and trust me, it is a headache. Once you are on the official page, just look for that big Download VLC button and click it. Then wait a few seconds for the installer file to download to your PC. Okay, now open that installer file from your Downloads folder. A security prompt might pop up asking if you want to allow this app to make changes. Just click yes. Do not worry, this is totally normal. The setup wizard will open. Honestly, you can just keep clicking next through the license agreement and component selection screens. I never change anything here unless I have a specific reason. Now it will ask you to choose where you want VLC saved on your computer. The default location is totally fine for most people. Just click the install button and let it do its thing. Wait for that progress bar to finish. It usually only takes about 30 seconds. Then click finish, and VLC will launch for the first time. That is it. You are all set. See how easy that was when you know the right steps? If this video helped you out, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell, and comment install down below so I know it worked for you. Next time, I will show you how to play any video file, including those weird formats that Windows cannot open. You do not want to miss that one. Subscribe now.